In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make $20,000 per month with Whop Clipping through content rewards. To get started, the first thing you need to do is create your free Whop account. Head over to whop.com and there you'll want to click Become a Creator. You can sign in conveniently using Google or Discord. Once you've signed in, you'll complete your store setup by adding your name, your logo, and a short description. The beauty of using Whop is that it acts as your storefront, so there's no need for a separate website or a payment processor, making the setup seamless. Next, let's connect your payouts through Stripe. In your Whop dashboard, navigate to Settings and select Payouts. Click on Connect Stripe and follow the verification steps carefully. Once everything is approved, you can relax, knowing you'll receive automatic payouts from every sale, keeping your income flow smooth and consistent. Now, it's time to create your clipping product on Whop. You have a range of options to sell, including a monthly clipping subscription that offers 30 to 60 clips per month, editing templates or CapCut packs, a done-for-you clipping service, or giving access to free courses or tutorials, which can help build trust with potential clients. To get going, click Create Product, choose the type, whether it's a digital service, course, or file access, and then proceed to add your title, pricing, and deliverables. Be sure to include specifics such as turnaround time, the number of clips you offer, and the platforms you service like TikTok or YouTube Shorts. To ensure recurring income, you need to set up pricing structures that attract clients to subscribe. Opt for subscription pricing for services you provide monthly. You could offer tiers like $199 per month for 10 clips, $499 for 30 clips, or $99.99 for 60 clips plus a strategy session. Enhance the value of each tier by including extra bonuses such as a thumbnail pack or a viral caption guide. The aim is to create predictable cash flow so that you hit that $10,000 monthly mark with ease. Your store page is your virtual signboard, so make it visually compelling. Begin by uploading a professional thumbnail or banner, and don't forget to add examples of your work via YouTube or Google Drive links. Write a clear, benefit-driven description that speaks directly to your audience's needs. Enhance your credibility by adding FAQs, turnaround times, and refund terms too. Offering a free course or mini training can be a brilliant way to draw customers in. Create a free product on Whop titled How to Start Clipping and Make Your First 1K Online. Within this offering, you could teach the essentials of editing, share your setup process on Whop, and then seamlessly upsell your clipping service at the end. Finally, promoting your Whop store through short-form content can help you attract buyers. Create engaging before and after transformations and share them on platforms like TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and Instagram Reels. Always include your Whop link in your bio and pinned comments to drive traffic to your store. Invite viewers with hooks like, "Want me to clip your videos like this?" Get it on Whop to entice new clients. As you gain clients, Whop makes managing them a breeze. It allows you to easily track active subscribers, deliver content via Google Drive or private Discord, and handle automated renewals and cancellations. This leaves you more time to focus on what you do best, editing, and that's it. By following these steps, you'll be on your way to earning $20,000 a month with Whop Clipping.